Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. So right now, as you can see, we are in the middle of jungle. Yeah, you can see right over here. Everything is dense and covered with forest and all, woods and all. So guys, yesterday it rained very heavily in our part. So this was the result of it. And today we are going to try long exposure photography. So guys, I want to share you one thing. Right now I am actually feeling like a nomad right here, because I have been searching for this place for a long time, though it was near my place where I live. So guys, finally I found this place. So today we are going to try long exposure photography. Here is the stream. We are getting a long exposure shot of this water stream. Guys, it's 7 in the morning. So as you can see, the atmosphere around here is quite beautiful. The sun is glowing up right here, and you can see over here. Yeah, the upper scene is quite beautiful. So I guess I shouldn't waste this opportunity. So let's try it. So guys, for long exposure photography, you basically need three things. The most important things for basically the long exposure photography will be, the first thing will be a sturdy tripod. As you can see, I have assembled my tripod over here. Yes, this is it. So if you're planning long exposure photography, don't basically go for a simple tripod. Go for a sturdy one, because it will help you more. As you can see, for long exposure photography, especially of the water streams, as you can see, the slope over here is not quite even. The slope is always uneven. As you have to stand in front of water stream, it can be quietly shaky. It can be quite uneven for the tripod to be assembled. So go for a sturdy tripod instead. The second thing, guys, will be a camera, your gear. So guys, it isn't actually necessary that you need a DSLR camera or any professional camera. Any camera can work unless and until you have the basic knowledge of your aperture, ISO and shutter speed. But the main part is about shutter speed. I will be explaining this further. So guys, the third thing which you need, and I think it is the most important thing, it is an ND filter. I have it here. It looks like this. I'll show you. So basically guys, any ND filter can work. Here I have fixed stop ND filter. It is a 16 stop ND filter. It has thread length of about 58 mm. So basically any ND filter can work. If you have a variable ND filter, it can go with the flow too. So guys, what basically ND filter does is that it declines the amount of light that is been entering into your lens. This is the lens, and for example I have a 16 stop ND filter, so it will just decline the amount of light by 16 times. I mean, if you consider the amount coming inside your lens, the amount of light coming inside your lens as 0, so what my ND filter does is that the amount of light coming inside your lens, it will decline it by 16. That is, the amount will be minus 16. So thus, by declining the amount of light, our shutter speed, we need to increase it. So and that's why we will get motion blur. So guys, I can't resist myself from showing you the beautiful scenery around here, all covered through woods and all, and these are the sun rays that are passing through. Yeah, as it is quite around 7:45 am, you can see the beauty around here. Actually, it's a bit scary too, because there's no one around here. I'm alone right here. So but it is quite peaceful too. Yeah. So guys, as you can see over here, we have assembled our tripod. We have assembled our gear, and the ND filter is on too. You can see over here. Yeah. So guys, these were the most important things that you need for a long exposure shot. Here we should go with the settings. Now we are going with the settings. So guys, first of all, turn on your camera and make sure that it is in manual mode. Yeah, so make sure that your camera first is in manual mode. And about the camera gear, about the lens, make sure that your camera, the stabilizer in your camera is off. It is off right now. I'll just show you. Here is a camera stabilizer, so make sure it is off. And about the autofocus mode or manual focus mode, you can put it as you want. It's up to you, as you're compatible. So here our camera is on. So guys, here our camera is on. Put your camera into the frame view. Yeah. So guys, as you can see over here, you can't see anything. You are only getting a black image. But don't worry guys, it's just because we have attached an ND filter to it. So what we have to do is go in our settings. Yeah. Sorry. What we have to do, here is your shutter speed, the 60 mark. Yeah, this one. So as you can see, slow down your shutter speed. Yeah, as you can see, the image is quite visible. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the image is quite visible. With the shutter speed, what we have to do guys is that if you are shooting in the day, then you have to make the shutter speed as slow as possible. So I did it at 30. The image you can see guys is quite more or overexposed, you can see. So what we have to do is we have to increase the aperture level. As you can see, the digits are quite rolling up. I'm keeping it up till 16. Yeah. So now guys, everything is set. And make sure guys, you always shoot in RAW, because what happens in RAW is that you get the perfect image. I mean, you don't get any blurry situations. You don't get any blurry images in your camera. So you have to do that. And yeah guys, it is quite easy to edit. Post editing is quite easy if you shoot in RAW. So that's why I always do it in RAW, always shoot in RAW. Guys, you can see here the ISO 100 mark. So we have to keep ISO as low as possible. Here everything is guys assembled. Our tripod is assembled, our camera is assembled, our settings are also done, and our ND filter is also been attached. So you can see the image over here. Yeah, right now you can see the flowing water, but wait for 30 seconds as you will see the magic. Yeah guys, we have to wait for 30 seconds for the camera to capture the image. I hope it gets really well. Until then, I'll show you the nature around. You can see the patterns over here. So guys, our image is ready. Let's see. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So this is what guys long exposure does. With a proper knowledge of ISO, shutter speed and aperture, this is what you can do. So guys, that's what about photography. Magic about photography is you have to experiment a lot, and with maximum amount of experiments you can get the best results. So guys, if you didn't get the image right, I mean if you are not visible in the camera, don't worry, I'll post it in the end. I'll post the original image in the end of this video, so stay tuned with me. So guys, luckily we have found another one location. It is way more beautiful than the last one. I'll show you the view. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, the water is very much beautiful right here. Water stream is very beautiful. The sun is quite up. I think it's 8:30 or something in the morning. We have assembled everything. So now we are just going to shoot. So guys, this was it for today. I hope you did understand a little bit of how long exposure photography works. If you didn't, don't worry, just don't worry, because I'll be posting an entire video about ISO, aperture and shutter speed, which is the main thing. So I'll be posting videos and tutorials about these three things. So just stay tuned, don't worry about it if you didn't understand the long exposure shot. And guys, if you haven't already checked my channel, do check my channel. I have posted a lot of videos right there about tutorials, my cinematic B-rolls I have posted. I have also posted some 2 to 3 vlogs. Do check it out. So and I'll be posting more of this content. So stay tuned, stay happy, take care, bye bye.